In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can download and install PHP on your Windows. For it, just go to this link php.net, and I'll also give this link in the description. And after coming here, you need to click on this downloads option, click on downloads. Then you need to look for the Windows version, and here you can see Microsoft Windows. Binaries are available for Microsoft Windows. So we need to click here, and then it will show you some version here. So you need to choose which version you want to use, and make sure that you use the thread safe version, not the non-thread safe. So we are going to download it from here. This is the most latest, and we're going to download a zip file from here. Just click on this zip and it will start downloading. There you can see it is around 30 MB, and there you can see the download is complete. After that, just go to the download location, and there you can see this is the zip file that we just downloaded. So right now we need to extract this. So for it, I'll just right click and then click on extract all, then click on extract. So this will extract the zip file, and there you can see. So let me just close this, and here you can see it is showing us the extracted folder. Right now we are going to rename this. So I'll just right click, then click here, and I'm going to rename it to a simple thing. Let's say PHP 8.3.13. After that, we need to copy this folder. So Ctrl C, or you can just right click, then click on this copy option. Then we need to go to our C drive, and inside C drive we are going to paste whatever we just copied, which is this one. So after keeping the PHP folder over here, we need to make some environment setup. For it, just go to your Windows search option, and you need to search for environment, which is this one. Here you can see edit the system environment variables. So you need to click here. After that, so it will directly be in the advanced mode, and here you can see environment variables. You need to click here environment variables. After that, you need to come here. Here you can see system variables. You need to come here system variables, and you need to look for path option, and here you can see it says path. Select a path, then you need to click here on this edit option. Just click on edit. So it will open something like this. So then you need to click here on this new option. So here what you need to do is that let me just go inside this PHP folder. Then we'll go at the top, and we need to copy this path location. So we'll just copy this like this. After that, we'll open it over here. Let me just minimize those. And here we're going to click on new, and we're going to paste it here. Then click on OK. Then click OK and OK again. So right now PHP is installed in our device, and in order to check it, what we need to do is that we just need to go to our Windows search option again, search for CMD. There you can see command prompt, click on it, and here we are going to say PHP -- version, then press enter, and there you can see it is showing us the PHP version. So it means we are able to successfully install PHP in our Windows. I hope this was useful. If you have any question or any suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.